We have been making money every single week in my crypto inner circle. Like Drizzy Drake, we've been getting these wins back to back. We're going back to back. So if you're someone where you have not been getting your crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy, if you are someone where you have not been catching these crypto wins on a weekly, on a monthly basis, then this video is for you. And I am going to show you the exact crypto strategy that we have been implementing to get our crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy to help you level up so you can achieve your crypto goal. If you look at the crypto market from a short-term perspective, you're there, oh, the crypto market is going up. When I see everything, I see quite a bit of green. Things are starting to move in the upward direction. Bitcoin came down to $60,000. Ever since it came down to that price range, it's actually been moving up, which is true. But if we take a step back and look at it from a zoomed out perspective, we can see even though the market has been going up recently, overall, the entire crypto market has actually been going in the downtrend. And it's been going in the downtrend since October of 2025. And that's how we've been able to make money while other people are struggling to still profit. I know what you're thinking. What the heck? That doesn't make sense. I am going to break it down so you can understand it and you can apply it to your crypto trading and investing. Mama Bitcoin is doing what she has always done, cycle after cycle. And if you know how the crypto cycle works, like then you're familiar with this. Bitcoin went from $3,000 price range all the way up to $60,000 price range. And here's the key part. This was a 3-year move. And then what happened after that? We went down for 1 year. So during this time, a lot of people lost money unless they knew how to short crypto, which is making money while crypto goes down. After that 1 year downtrend, after that 1 year of accumulation, then up and away, we went back up for another 3 years. And after Mama Bitcoin broke this rising trend, we now began the 1 year slope towards the downside. So if this cycles continue, we still have to wait all the way until about September, October to actually start seeing the crypto market start to pump and start making its way back toward the upside. And Mama Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana, whatever your favorite crypto project is, start to hit new all-time high. And that's where people mess up, is that they're leaving half of the money on the table, and that's how we're able to take advantage of it. When crypto is moving toward the upside, everyone is the greatest trader on the planet Earth. Your mom, your dad, your uncle, your neighbor, anyone is buying crypto, anyone that's accumulating crypto, you can easily get a 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x, 100x. The amount of people that get lucky and suddenly feel they're a pro trader is crazy. But then once this starts to happen, where prices begin to move in the downside direction, the way it's been moving now, everyone starts to panic and everyone is taking the same approach that they took previously and they're trying to apply it now, which isn't working, which is, hey, I am going to buy some of these crypto projects and I'm going to just wait for months until prices start to move toward the upside. And the easiest way to make money in crypto, which I always tell everybody in my inner circle, everyone in my community, is we need to ride the wave. And riding the waves mean prices are moving the downward direction. Obviously, it's not just dropping straight down, but it's having these micro moves toward the upside. But even with these micro moves toward the upside, the overall trend is moving forward. So what does that mean when it comes to actually making money in the short term? It means for us to constantly be making money like this, how we have been doing in our inner circle. For you to be able to do that, you have to be focused on shorting, making money in the short term. YouTube family, I started this channel right here in my inner circle. Can you guys read that? It says small wallet, big dreams. For people who do not have big wallets, but they still have big dreams for things that they want to achieve. Because I remember getting out of school and having all of this university debt from the government and having to pay it back. I remember going through social media and scrolling and seeing these people live their best life, traveling the world. I'm like, why can't that be me? I remember going to restaurants and then looking at something that I wanted to eat and I would look at the price of it. I'm like, oh, geez. That's kind of expensive. I can't order that. And I just wanted to be able to go out and not look at a price of something before deciding I'm going to buy. I remember going to restaurants and not getting the appetizer, just the main meal, because I know getting the appetizer, main meal, and dessert was just too much. So I started this channel, Small Wallet, Big Dream, with just $1,000. And the goal was to grow it and scale it. And we've already doubled our money and we're still going and we're still flipping it and still flipping it, so that those people who don't have a lot of money in crypto because you're in crypto to make money, who may not have $10,000 to start with, $20,000 to start with, that they know if they implement these strategies correctly, they can still achieve whatever goal that they have. Side note, also paid off on my student loan and I was able to get my first property, second property, third property. So I'm sharing these things with you. If you're that person where you're wondering, oh my gosh, can I actually make this happen? I'm struggling in crypto. Lock in. Just know you can achieve it. If you are watching this video, it means you are clearly someone who is serious about leveling up in crypto. So check out the link in the bio and I invite you to join my lit crypto inner circle. That's where I do live stream. That's where I'll say, hey, I am buying this crypto. This is the reason why I am buying it. This is the crypto I'm selling. This is the reason why I'm selling it. So that you can begin to understand these things so you can see how people are able to make profit on a weekly, on a monthly basis so that you can level up and you can start seeing those crypto results as well. So if you are ready to take your crypto to the next level, then I invite you to click the link in the bio, join a community of people who are thriving in crypto. All right, back to sharing the crypto gems. So in this channel, if you look at our most recent trade, this was a short trade, CAS. If you look at the trade before that, it was FED. It was another short trade. If you look at the trade before that, it was TAO. It was another short trade. If you look at the trade before that, we shorted PI. Made great profit off that. That was a short trade. That trade is posted right here. We took a short trade, entered at 29 cents or higher. And like I said, in the inner circle, hey, we're getting in after we see that bad boy get above the 29 cents. And once we saw it above 29 cents, right here, we took our entrance and boom, that rejection towards the downside and prices crash. Hence why you start seeing these nice juicy profits on the pie trade, 82% profit. On the other pie trade, 118% profit. And we talked about the power trade. We saw prices moving toward the upside. We entered within this range and then prices starting to move toward the downside. Boom, we made profit as it went down. And yes, this trade was not as profitable as the pie trade. But guess what? We still made money. We still made profit. The money is still compounding. And at the end of the week and at the end of the month, we still have a crypto wallet getting bigger, fatter, and juicier than it did before. We also took the Fed trade where we saw prices moving toward the upside. We entered within this range. Boom! Prices went towards the downside. What does that mean? Our crypto wallet getting big and juicy. We also talked about the Casper trade and we took the Casper trade this week. We saw prices moving toward the upside. We entered this short. As prices went down, we actually exited on this candlestick right here and boom, our crypto wallet still getting bigger, fatter, and juicier. But you guys, here's the thing with crypto, because I'm always going to be real with you and realistic with you. Not every single crypto trade you take is going to be these huge, massive gains. As you can see, some of these gains are different sizes. Some are smaller, some are larger, but it doesn't matter. All that matters is that you're getting consistent wins again and again and again, and you're honing your skills and you're getting better. And the big profits and the big gains will come sooner or later. But as long as if you're leveling up and you're making significantly more wins than your losses, then you're going to find yourself achieving all the financial goals that you want. So I always tell everyone in my private community that your goal shouldn't be, oh, I have to make X amount of dollar per trade. No, that's not the goal. The goal is I am just going to take the best trade as possible. And as I take the best trade, then the results will follow, which is making winning trades. Or in other words, making money off your trades. But here's the thing with crypto, guys, is that you are going to lose money. You are going to have certain days where things don't go your way. And that is just the reality of the game. But the thing is, when those days come, it doesn't even matter. Because as long as if you have significantly more wins than losses, you're all right. If on a Monday you do a winning trade, check. And then on a Wednesday you do a losing trade, that's okay. And then on a Friday, you end up doing a winning trade that's even bigger than your losing trade, then that's great. Because as long as if your wins are significantly bigger than your losses, guess what? You're still moving the upwards trajectory to achieve your goal. And that's how we've been able to make money consistently within the short term. Now, if you just want to focus on make money in the long term, then ignore this video, ignore everything I said, and don't focus on it. But in my opinion, if you want to squeeze all the opportunity the crypto market has for you, you should focus on making money in the short term and making money in the long term. And our short-term profit has come from just focusing on shorting. We are not focusing on trying to make money with prices moving towards the upside, because there is little movement toward the upside and there is significantly more profit on the table to be made if you are shorting crypto, if you're focused on making money towards the downside, because overall you may have the upward movement, but majority of the market is still moving within the downwards direction. And once you start seeing that shift happen where prices starts moving significantly up, then that's when we got to modify and we change our strategy and we start focusing now on making money in the short term with prices moving up, which is taking long trades. But until we see that, we're going to continue to short. We're going to continue to focus on making money as crypto continues to move lower. And if you want to get access to my inner circle where I live stream, where I share my crypto strategies, my techniques, I let everyone know which cryptos I'm going to buy, why I'm buying it, why I'm selling it, when I'm going to buy it and sell it, then check out the link below. Because if you're not achieving your crypto goal, it's just a knowledge gap. And once you have that information, you're able to execute on it, then you'll find yourself achieving your crypto goals and living your best life. Oh my gosh. Bro, did I just record that entire video and not even have the microphone plugged in? All right, yo, video editor. Good luck, video editor. Gotta work your magic, bro. Gotta work your magic. Jeez. Was I yelling when I was talking? Because my throat hurts now. My throat actually, yo. Ooh, gotta get me some tea, please.